G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to make an Italian dish here. I'm going to make a ravioli with a cream sauce and some spinach. There's some of my ingredients here, some bell peppers, red and green, some spring onion. I've got half a chili, that's optional. I love chili, spice is life. Garlic, I've got the baby spinach there which I've washed. Make sure you wash it thoroughly guys. Let's get on to the next step. Okay guys, this is in a medium sauce, but now what I've done is I've done it one serving just over, as you can see with the ravioli. So if you ever want to measure to make one serving, now put it in the salted, always put the salt in the water, just season it. Now once the ravioli floats to the top, it's practically done, but I actually cook it for another 2-3 minutes. And you can see there they've floated to the top, so I've cooked it for about 2-3 minutes. Now we're chopping up some spring onion here, good old ASMR, and we've got some, we're slicing up some garlic as well, as you can see there. So we're going to fry all these off. Now my ravioli is already done, and I've plated that different plate. Got the chili there. Now the chili is optional, it's up to you if you want to use chili. I love chili, spice is life, Filipinos, rice is life. Okay, just in a wok or a medium frying pan, a deeper frying pan would be better. Now this is Cobram extra virgin Sana olive oil. This is a great olive oil out of Australia, out of my state of Cobram in the country, Cobram estate. They make some wines over there too, so I'm not going to really measure, usually about a tablespoon of oil goes in there. Now we're going to throw in the spring onion and the capsicum. Now we'll fry that off a bit. Now it's time to add the garlic and chili there. Now remember, chili is optional. If you don't want chili, you can put something else, of course. And we're just going to fry that till we get fragrance in the garlic. Now I've got some Chardonnay here, just a little bit, not much, hardly anything left. I usually use this for cooking. So we're going to add the wine there and obviously reduce it. Now never throw your pasta water out. Now I've put some pasta water in there with a little bit of chicken powder stock. There's my tomato sauce that I made up. Always make a batch and freeze it. When you need it, just take some out. Now I'm going to let that reduce down a bit. And here's the cream going in. Now usually I'll put about, I don't know, 1/4 cup of cream for this recipe. Depends how creamy you want it. Now in goes the baby spinach. Now obviously spinach will wilt as you cook it. Now I will cook this down a little bit. If I need to add more tomato sauce, I will. If I need to add a bit more cream, I will. You can just adjust it as you go. Okay, my spinach is wilted down. Now it's time to throw in the ravioli. You serve up as much as you want. You know, this is just for about a serving and a half. You can see that it's simmering off there. Let's plate it up. I've got a bit of fast mo action here, plating it up. So, you know, it's simple to plate up something like that. And we can't forget the good old Leanne's pecorino cheese. She loves it when I say it's pecorino. But a bit of garnish there with a bit of spinach leaves, what I had left over there. And just take a look at that, guys. The sauce is a bit lopsided there, but looks like it's on an angle. But you could serve this up with the salad, some garlic bread. I actually had this with buttered Vienna bread, which is absolutely delicious, Italian bread. And I hope you like this video. Try this at home. It's not very hard to do. If you can't make your own tomato sauce, just buy pasta sauce at the supermarket and just some cream. Like I say, like even the top chefs say, always keep things simple. That's the way to go. And anyway guys, like, comment, subscribe. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you later.